Hi, thanks for watching. I want to show you this cute, it's an 8-pack stem kit for kids. They can make an electric fan. It's for ages 6 plus, and these are all the things that it comes with. Let me show you inside the box. It's very neatly wrapped. So I just opened one, and I'm gonna show you everything that comes with it. So only thing you need is batteries. You need 2 AA batteries to get the fan working. But the instructions are real easy. It comes with several instructions. So say if you're having maybe this for homeschooling or just a class event or just kids coming over and playing, it's a learning good learning thing for them as far as the science. Like it has here tech, engineering, and I can't read that right now. What the M says, mathematics. Okay, so very simple. I'll show you what I did. So they have the question and answer if something doesn't work on this side, and then on the other side it shows exactly what to do step by step. It shows pictures, and so it's pretty easy. Like the first part, what you do, I'm not going to make another one. I just wanted to test it out before I have my grandkids do it. You take one of these, and I'll just maybe take that off because you have two. You need this for this one, and then you need one to put that on. Like I said, it's step by step. Okay, so you first line it up like this. Then you remove the tape. So I save I removed it and made sure it's stuck there real good, and then remove that part. And then the first thing you do is you put this part on here, just like that. And then the next thing you do is take your motor part, and then you put it inside here. And it should look like this. And mine is not totally straightened, but you can just, adjust that the way it should go. And then it goes in here. So you push that all the way down. Okay, so then your fan part goes in here. And the instruction says that adults should supervise kids when they make this. I'm thinking especially if you have very young kids. And this part, it may require an adult to push it all the way in. It was a little, not super hard, but you need to, really push it in. So you push that all the way in. I'm not going to do that, but you push that all the way in. And then, so this, like I said, this is connected to here. That would be connected. And then you take the other tape, and then that will be connected here. Okay, so it will look like this here. And then you just have a couple more steps. What you do is you put your 2 AA batteries in, like here. I already have mine in here. And then with the wire part, you just have to pull this off here. And then you pull this one off. There's like a little indent right there. So you pull that off, and then you just have the wiring. And then with that wiring, you put one under here. And then you put one under here. I don't think it matters which goes top or bottom. And then you twist the little copper. I think that's copper. You just twist a little wiring together, which I did here. And then once you do that, the only part I didn't understand was how to turn it on. And I was wondering, what is this thing here for? So that's what you use to turn it on. So you just turn it towards the other battery, and there you go. So I think it'll be something cute that they would like to make. It's very easy. They can do it with their friends. It makes a good little project. It's a good learning toy. It keeps them off the electronics. So I can't wait for my grandkids to try this. Thanks for watching. I'll leave the link in the description box below.